Ever come home starving with nothing ready to eat? Dinner panic, takeout again, and that guilt hits hard. Juggling kids, work, and a sink full of dishes? Tired of juggling multiple appliances and endless prep? Slow cooks that take all evening, very little reward. Burnt dinners, undercooked rice, and zero hands-free convenience. I needed something simpler and faster for weeknights. Meet the Instant Pot Duo, my everyday kitchen hero. The original 7-in-1 cooker that changed how I cook. Pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, keep warm. 13 one-touch programs make any recipe feel effortless and fun. Cooks up to 70% faster than slow methods. That means more family dinners, less stress, and saved time. Pro-grade 18/8 stainless inner pot with tri-ply bottom sears beautifully. Sear like a chef, then pressure cook to tender perfection. 6-quart size feeds up to 6 people easily and conveniently. Ideal for families, meal preppers, and busy home cooks alike. Dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot make cleanup unbelievably easy. No more debates about who washes dinner pans anymore. Easy-release steam switch makes releasing pressure quick and safe. Over 10 built-in safety mechanisms bring real peace of mind. Powerful 1,000-watt performance for fast, reliable cooking every day. Comes with a stainless steel steamer rack for versatility. Seriously, it replaces multiple appliances and saves countertop space. Let me show how simple dinner looks with this. Chop vegetables, season meat, and set the pot. Select the one-touch program, hit start, walk away confidently. Sear in the pot for flavor, then lock the lid. Use steam for vegetables, rice program for perfect fluffy grains. Make yogurt overnight with minimal effort. Nourishing breakfasts ready. I followed guided recipes from the Instant Pot app. The app has thousands of recipes and step-by-step instructions. Saved my favorite meals into collections for quick repeat cooking. Set a delay start and dinner finishes right when you arrive. Cooking large batches for meal prep? It excels at that. Pulled pork, stews, rice bowls, even cheesecakes, everything worked. Food came out tender, flavorful, and consistently perfectly cooked. Weeknight dinners now take under an hour, often 30 minutes. Kids finish homework, we eat together, stress melts away. Cleanup is fast. Toss the inner pot in dishwasher. Stainless steel looks great on the countertop, feels durable. Handles and sealed lid make transport and storage worry-free. Safety lid lock reassures even when cooking unattended. The easy seal prevents accidental steam release every time. Adjustable pressure settings give precise control for delicate dishes. I love how the digital display is simple to use. Satisfying results without babysitting the stove all night long. Meal prepping Sunday? It handles batches for the whole week. Perfect rice program eliminates mushy or undercooked disasters. Steaming preserves nutrients and color in quick 5-minute bursts. Sauté function browns onions and develops real depth of flavor. The app's guided steps make new recipes approachable and fun. I save recipes, then cook them from the app. Kids voted the garlic chicken an instant family favorite. The steamer rack lets you do mains and sides simultaneously. Powerful performance means less time standing in the kitchen. It's UL and ULC listed for reliable, certified safety standards. No more last-minute store runs because dinner's done early. Makes batch soups and meal prep bowls feel downright effortless. Switch from slow cook to pressure cook and save precious evenings. The sleek stainless finish complements any kitchen style beautifully. Great for novice cooks who want consistent, predictable meals. Also loved by meal preppers for reliable batch cooking results. You get the pot, rack, and endless recipe inspiration. I recommend it for anyone craving easier weeknight dinners. A small countertop investment that pays back time and sanity. One-pot meals, less cleanup, and more time with family. Ready to simplify dinners and impress without extra effort? Tap the app, pick a recipe, and press start. Make tonight the night you reclaim your evenings back. Try the Instant Pot Duo and feel the difference tonight. Happy meals, less stress, and a kitchen you'll enjoy. Click to learn more, download recipes, and get cooking today. Your future weeknights will thank you. Trust me. Instant Pot Duo. Better meals, faster, safer, and more joyful.